What happens if you're giving a presentation, a sales pitch, new business presentation, someone asks you a question, and you know you can get the information for them, and you say, I'll get that for you. So far, so good. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't have to know all the answers to questions when someone's talking to you, you're presenting, and they ask you a question. But here's the breakdown I've noticed with many people, is you've actually got to follow up. If you say, I know the answer to that, it's in our accounting department, I can email it to you by 5 today, make sure you actually email it by 5. I'm constantly amazed by people who pitch me, vendors for every aspect of home repair or anything else I do, who promise me more information than I've asked for, and then they just never follow up. So much of giving a great sales presentation, a new business presentation, frankly has nothing to do with good eye contact or what you do with your hands or how many uhs and ums you have. It's about just doing what you say you'll do and following up. If you say you're going to get people more information on a particular subject by a certain time, do it. I'm TJ Walker. I teach people how to speak more effectively. If you want more information on how to be a better presenter, you can go to my website and get some of my books for free. And I'm promising you this, I really will deliver. Just go to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com and you'll get those books emailed to you instantly.